Alright, here we are, Site 46. Old Prairie Loop. A lot of gravel. Alright guys, this time we are at Myakka State Park in Sarasota. Now in the mid-1800s, settlers established cattle operations using this grass-rich river valley. And then around 1910, this heiress woman from Chicago named Bertha Palmer purchased thousands of acres. And she introduced a lot of modern ranching methods like tick dipping cattle and irrigating hammock areas. Now, when the Great Depression hits, a significant amount of the Palmer's property becomes available, and it's purchased by the state in 1934 to become a park. One group that played a huge role in shaping the park that we see today is the Civilian Conservation Corps, building its trails, bridges, and even the rustic cabins that are not only just standing, but still as beautiful as they were when they were first made, and still available for people to book and stay in when you come to the park.
I have that canopy.
Alright, so weather report says we definitely got a storm coming in. Here we go, we are on our way to the Canopy Walk. Huh?
What were you saying?
I was telling our viewers we're gonna head over to the Canopy Walk. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, man. Just because I make up fake accounts and follow myself on YouTube, that doesn't mean anything. Doesn't mean it. Found it. I found the tower. The Canopy Walk was first opened in June 2000 and was the first public treetop trail in North America, inspired by Canopy Science Research. The suspension bridge is 25 feet high, stretching between two towers, spanning 100 feet long. Right, here we are. I don't know where the dudes are, but I'm going up. With the Canopy Walk's tower standing 74 feet high, it offers an amazing view over the trees into the wetlands and prairies beyond. Yeah, oh, there's a couple of them.
Cool. They're coming out. Looks like it's a mom and a doe. Nice catch.
That's so cool. It's just walking around, no care in the world. I guess we gotta start making our way back now. Finally getting back to our camp. That was awesome.
Oh my god. Holy shit. It's here. It's here. Can't wait to just be standing there just like be inside one of the trucks. Might as well start here. Yeah. Red monsoon. Is that current? Yeah.
Right.
We're about to get torched.
Oh, it's going. Alright guys, so the storm has passed. It wasn't that bad. Got a little film of it, but not much happened. So we've got the food out. Nice, the Fire Master.
Shut it down right there, boys.
Here we go.
Very nice.
Chris went ahead and split our peas there. Thank you, guy.
Yeah, if you want to call them peas, I'm all for it.
I don't know what the lima beans, right? What is it?
Green beans.
Green beans. I know they're delicious. All right, here we go. They're gonna trust me to cut up this onion.
Well, we never said that.
I mean, how hard could it be?
Things like you already have a few of these already like ready. I'll
Yeah,
take like some of these right here for my burger.
All right, I think the onions are ready.
God damn. Did you cut up the rings too? Where'd my rings go?
Oh, whoops.
Onion.
Oh, whoops. Onion.
It's still an onion, so it's
Sorry, guy.
gonna be just fine.
I kind of got in the zone and just chopped everything in front of me. That's good. Just
And,
sprinkle a little Worcestershire
cashews at
sauce
the end.
on there.
Yeah. Right now.
Ooh, that's hot.
Oh, here we
Get that
go.
over.
No, I don't think we can re-pour.
Crafting up burgers. The old wood-fired campsite burgers.
Holy.
Yeah, let that soak in. For
What do we got there? What are we putting on there?
Man,
Soy
they look
sauce.
good.
Soy sauce.
soy
Because we don't have any
sauce.
fucking...
Okay, and then I want some
Here,
here.
hang on, I gotta.
Oh, damn. Boom.
Looks good.
Perfect.
Mm. All right, guys, we are at the tower. All right, I went ahead and engaged the light on my chest cam. It's getting serious. It's getting serious. Ah!
Come on, get.
Get on, get. Here we go. Okay. Is it? Oh, wow. We're at the top.
Lightning in the sky.
Putting out.
Electricity in the sky.
Ooh.
God, that was fucking awesome, dude. You got that, Dan.
I did.
Like to the right, you're fucking...
I'm literally on the highest part. So, oh, that's so bright. Shake test.
Expecting so much more.
I was. There was like no creativity. Yeah, that was a good shake there, Dan.
I want to make sure you guys got the real experience of it. Alright guys, I'm in my tent here. Got the fan going. It's been an awesome day today. Decided to get up early and get out on the river, do some kayaking tomorrow. So, see you all in the morning. About to get the breakfast fire going here. Thank God Chris woke up, chopped up some wood for us. Turned into a war of attrition. At that one piece of wood that you'll see, it's filmed. You're going. Sharp cheddar on top. It's melting there. Did we throw any Worcestershire sauce in? Oh my, look at that there. Alright, so we're just doing a little recon, going back up the road where we were yesterday. Only this time, we're going to keep going and see if we hit this lake. Alright, we're finally out here. Adam and Chris have taken off and left me, so I gotta haul ass up there. Seeing at the mouth of the river right there. Ooh, that's a big one. They're fast. Look how fast this dude is.
Oh no.
There you go. Big gator, swamp puppy. Holy shit. I almost hit a fucking gator with my paddle. That was too close. Left. Alright, well we're back at the bridge now. We didn't come from the fat way that way. We came from the skinny ass way where we almost got eaten by gators. I almost hit one with my paddle on accident. Boy, are they camouflaged. They got good camouflage. Let's keep going. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. We're back where we parked Adam's truck. Not time for me to paddle. Wait for Chris to move out of position.
Let's just go get your truck, because I don't think I can fit our kayaks in mine. Chris will just stay here.
Yeah, I'll just sit back.
A lot of gators. Awesome. I'm back at the truck now. Got the Myakka boat tours actually. Hang on, let me shoot a quick. Very cool. They got the boats right here. Just a whole lot of just nothing. Just a whole beautiful empty space here. This was definitely an awesome time. I loved Myakka State Park, and even though we had a little bit of weather, I really had a great time. The Canopy Walk was everything I was hoping it would be, and visiting it at night was just twice as awesome. And then kayaking through all the alligators was definitely a thrill. I hope you guys really enjoy this one. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next adventure.